A good composition is essential for taking good photos. The composition should highlight the subject and bring the viewer's focus to a particular point. However, just like in this photo of me, sometimes you are bound to visualize a different composition than what you have in front of you during the editing process. These are the kind of situations where the crop tool comes in handy. In this specific scenario, cropping the photo lessens all of the visual distractions and turns me into a better focal point. And the fact that there's less visual information gives the image more of a dramatic effect, especially with my pose. Personally speaking, even the moodiness of the photo subsides if my hands were to remain in the frame. Notice the difference that this simple crop made. A more powerful, profile picture-worthy image is produced because it places more emphasis on me, the subject in this case, and because all of the distractions are now out of the frame. So next time you're busy editing your images, try something different with the crop tool. Punch all the way in, change the orientation of the photo. Obviously not all images will work out, but you'll never know if you can save a photo's composition unless you try. If you found this information valuable, please make sure to like the video for the YouTube algorithm, for other creatives to find this video as well. Also, don't forget to subscribe, so you don't miss videos just like this one that I'll be posting in the future. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.